In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the bottom cover of the Alienware 17. Remove the two screws in the back of the panel and slide the panel forward. It comes right off, just like that. So now that you've got the cover off, you can dust out your fans, or you can even remove them and dust out the fan and the heat sink. And you can put in an extra hard drive if you chose an option that only has one hard drive. And both the option with only a 750 gigabyte hard drive and the 750 gigabyte hard drive with the 64 gigabyte caching drive, both of those options leave an available hard drive slot. So I have the 750 gigabyte hard drive with the 64 gig caching drive, and I've got a 1 terabyte hard drive in here. So that's all for how to take it off. It's just those two screws and then a slide. So to put it back on, you can't like slide it all the way back on, you know. You just put it right here and then slide again. And it's back on, and then you put the two screws back in. And you're good to go. Your Alienware 17's all back together, ready to fly.